Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's IELTS Academic Volume 1, Test 2, the Writing Task 2, the Advantages and Disadvantages type of essay. As technology advances, traveling to space is likely to become an option for holidaymakers in the future. What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages of space tourism? Now, this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the task. In para 1, discuss the advantages of traveling to space for holidays. In para 2, discuss the disadvantages of traveling to space for holidays. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now, in the introduction, describe the topic. The topic states the possibility of space holidays becoming a reality in the future owing to advancements in technology. This essay will discuss the advantages as well as the disadvantages for such a possibility for holiday goers. Now in para 1, discuss the advantages of traveling to space for holidays. For computers fitted into the palms of the user's hand, to doctors conducting intricate operations on patients by using remote-controlled robotic arms, the possibilities that new technological advancements provide mankind are manifold. And one such possibility is that of space holidaying. The advantages of such a novel way to holiday are numerous. One of them is the process of traveling, which allows the traveler to have a zero gravity experience in a high-tech spacecraft, and another one is getting to observe the flora and fauna on distant planets. Now in para 1, discuss the disadvantages of traveling to space for holidays. And like every coin has two sides, space holidaying also has another side to it, the one that has disadvantages. To begin with, what can be said for certain is that space travel is not cheap, considering the costs to develop and manufacture spacecrafts as well as the large quantities of fuel that would be required to power the flight. Moreover, the traveler would have to be in really good physical and mental health to withstand the rigors of space travel, as medical assistance would be very limited. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, although the idea of space holidaying has a number of advantages because of its novelty, there are a number of disadvantages too, as such a travel would only be enjoyed by the wealthy, and that too by the ones out of them who are healthy. Now the next slide will show the entire essay. You may pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.